Hey everyone, I just thought I'd show you something that I just got in the mail. I had seen on social media a knitter friend, Fred Yoshua, I apologize if I've mispronounced your name. He was knitting these great chickens and stuffed chickens, and I just love the way they look. I love the design, and he was using kind of interesting yarns and textured stuff that I thought was really spectacular. So I asked him where he got it, and he actually gets them through a place called the Knitting Tree. I think it's in California, in LA, I think. They have different, it's actually a kit that you can purchase. It's your emotional support chicken knitting kit, which I even like the idea. I thought it was really clever packaging. I thought the ideas were great. And there's different kits for different colored chickens that you can buy. I got the one that was Dolly Parton. Dolly Parton, yeah. So we're gonna do a quick opening and I'll show you what that looks like. So first of all, it comes in this great packaging. I am so impressed with their packaging. Life is hard. We all need a chicken to make it better. This isn't the particular colorway that I ordered. The colorways are cleverly named, things like Dolly Parton, and it's 100% free range. I'd also like to point out on the back that they call it six-piece bucket o' chicken, just add stuffing, and which I think is really quite clever. At any rate, so let's take a look and see what's inside. We have let's see, we have the pattern from the Knitting Tree LA. We have the main color and the striping color. We also have some yarn to do the beak and the comb on top of the head. They give you a couple little notions, including stitch markers that have a little hen attached to it, and also a darning needle, which I clearly don't need. But they also give you these pretty green eyes to put on Dolly Parton. Anyway, so that's what's inside this. I'm looking forward to making it. And I'll show you a couple examples of some of the things that Fred has made out of his pattern for it. Can't wait to try it.